What's the one marketing technique which has been around us for decades and is still highly relevant? Hi everyone, this is Digital Abhi, your digital marketing friend, and today I am going to share what is email marketing and why you should use email marketing. There's one important thing which I want to tell you before moving ahead. Subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell so whenever I upload something valuable, you get notified. People have been saying for years that email marketing is dead and it's not going to work. But that's not true. Heck, there are some people who have built their business around email marketing. I know a couple of guys who are earning a good chunk of money with this great marketing technique. In the past few years, you may have changed your mobile number, home, car address, and a lot of other things. But with most of us, there's one thing which is still constant: our email address. So you can see where I am going with this. Emails are an integral part of the professional and corporate world. So it's going to stay, at least for the next few years. So let's start by understanding what is email marketing. It is the way of marketing in which you place your business, product, or service in front of your potential customers through emails. This is generally done by sending bulk emails to your prospects. Building relationships and engaging with your audience and providing value to them directly into their inbox is also part of email marketing. Let me share an example you can relate to. Let's say you buy something from Amazon. After a few days, Amazon starts sending you emails to buy other products also in which you might be interested. This is just one example. You can do much more with email marketing. Let me share some other examples and situations where you can harness the power of emails. Let's say you have an e-commerce store. When someone makes a purchase with you, you can send them a thank you email. In that email, you can also attach a coupon code that they can use on their next purchase. You can send emails about related products to the people who have already purchased something from you. Newsletters are another great example. You can put a form on your website and ask people to sign up for a newsletter. If you are a blogger, you can use it to drive traffic to your blog. You can also use it to promote your products and services. When someone signs up for your newsletter or your email list, don't just start selling them right away. Provide great value to your email list. When they start knowing you, when they get familiar with you, then you can pitch your products and services. You can also send emails on special events. When a festival comes up, you can send an email blast to wish all your prospects. The best part is that you can even personalize your emails. So you can even wish your prospects on their birthdays and anniversaries. To create a buzz for this special day, you can also attach a coupon code for them. This way, you can add a great personal touch and also build a good relationship. In another way, you can also use it for announcements. Let's say you are starting your affiliate program, or you are having a special sale for the new year, or you are having a special sale on the 10th anniversary of your company, or you are increasing the prices of your services. You can let your prospects and potential customers know through email marketing. All these good things, but how can you start? What is required to start doing email marketing? There are basically two things you need: an email marketing tool and an email list. Let's understand both of them one by one. First, why do you need an email marketing tool? What's wrong with Gmail or any other email service provider? One of the major reasons for this is that with Gmail, you can send a maximum of 500 emails in a single day. There are a lot of tools available which you can use. Some of them are MailChimp, Aweber, ActiveCampaign, Sendinblue, Drip, and Zoho. I personally use ActiveCampaign. Almost every tool gives you a free trial, so you can try each of them and see which one you like. In case you want to use ActiveCampaign, I have mentioned the link in the description. Now comes the email list. What is it? It is a collection or database of emails to which you send out emails during your marketing campaign. There are various ways to build an email list. You can ask people to sign up for a newsletter, or you can create a lead magnet like an ebook or a video course. You will provide it for free in exchange for their emails. You can also ask people to join your webinar where you can provide immense value to them. Now there's one thing you need to understand. Some people just buy an email database and then just start sending emails to them. Don't do it. Why? First of all, most of the emails are useless to you. You are just sending cold emails to them, so there are high chances that your email may land in the spam or promotion box. Also, you don't need people in your email list who are not interested in your category or niche. Let's say I'm selling a diet plan which helps underweight people to gain some mass. So obviously I don't need people on my list who want to lose weight. Even if I get them on my list, my diet plan will be totally useless for them. It may even make their condition worse. Building an email list is a huge topic, so I will cover it in another video. Now, before stepping into the world of email marketing, you need to understand a few basic terms. The first one is the delivery rate. It is a percentage of emails that are delivered to the total number of emails sent. If you sent 1000 emails and 950 of them were received by the users, then you have a 95% delivery rate. After that comes the bounce rate. It is the percentage of users who didn't receive your email. Out of 1000 people, if 50 people didn't receive your email, then you have a 5% bounce rate. An email can bounce because of various reasons. If it bounces because of permanent reasons like a fake or an invalid email address, then it is called a hard bounce. If it bounces because of some temporary reasons, then it is called a soft bounce. Situations like a full inbox or a server down can cause soft bounce. Then comes the open rate. It is the percentage of people who open your email. If out of 1000 people, 400 people open your email, then you have a 40% open rate. After that comes click-through rate. It is the percentage of people who click at least one link in your email. If 150 out of 1000 people click on the link in your email, then you have a 15% click-through rate. These are the few basic terms which you should know before running an email marketing campaign. Now, let's see why you should use email marketing as a strategy to grow your business. The first reason is the high return on investment. It is said that on average, for every dollar you spend in email marketing, you can roughly generate $40. I mean, that's a huge number. Other than that, it is also cost effective. You can reach a lot of prospects with a cost that is pennies on the dollar. As I said earlier, the best part is that you can customize and personalize your emails. Other than that, you can also automate almost everything, and this can save a hell lot of time for you. Also, with the growing rate of mobile usage, people tend to check their emails several times a day. In email marketing, you can track and measure everything very precisely. There are a lot of metrics that help you to understand your growth. For example, you can try and test different times and days of the week and see which one works the best for you. Like for me, I get the best results when I send an email blast at 7 p.m. and Thursdays work like a charm for me. So that was today's episode on what is email marketing and its basics. If you got to know something new or if you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button. You can also connect with me on social media. All my social media handles are mentioned in the description below. Stay happy, stay blessed.